let me offer this as a rebuttal.
You say I'm lacking, nigga, try me, shoot you in your shorty. I'm cooking up in the lab like I'm Rick and Morty. 40 popper, hit a monster, turn your brain to pasta. Hit a opera, dread swinging just like I'm a roster.
What's good, Meta Gang? Another way, Sean. Back with another video. Woo! Ow! Wet. Whew. Man, what's up, you guys? Hope y'all was turned. I was turned. Hope you guys are feeling good, feeling great. You know, appreciate all the love you guys been showing me on my recent videos, and I really appreciate it. You guys see I got my hair out right now. Hold on, let me. Woo! Okay, alright, so appreciate you guys and everything. You guys see the thumbnail and title. We're gonna go from this madness right here, then we're gonna twist it, and then we're gonna do a twist out. Alright, so I wanted to make like a little video on that. I didn't really plan on doing that first, but I was like, you know what? Why not make a video on it? Because I've never done it before, honestly. I've never done this before, so I'm curious to see how it's gonna look. And yeah, quick little show for you guys. How we looking right now? Oh. So we're about right down here, almost to the bottom of the chin. Almost. Maybe a few more months and we'll be there. We're gonna get there. So yeah, I'm finna go do my hair right now. I actually need to wash this, so I'm finna go do that. But I'm gonna come back with it twisted up so you guys can see what I did with my twist, and we can go from there. So I'll be right back. Wait, actually, before I do all that, who saw that new Dragon Ball Super episode? If y'all been watching Dragon Ball Super, let me know down in the comments below. I'm a big Dragon Ball Super fan. Or any Dragon Ball Z, I love it. That's my stuff. I like anime. Yeah, so now I'm finna go twist my hair, and I'm finna use my transmission, and we finna be right back. You ready? Alright, now we back. I got my hair all twisted up. You know what I'm saying? It's not the best look ever, but you know, that's not what it's about. You know what I'm saying? We're just doing it for the style afterwards, right? What I did, I just parted my hair down the middle, 2 big sections, and I parted on the sides right here, these 2 sides, and then I just did big twists. That's why they look so big. And then I tied the ends with a little rubber band. Try to focus that for you guys. Well, it won't focus, but I tried to tie the ends with a rubber band so it don't, you know, unravel and stuff. And I'm just gonna go shower and, you know, condition, shampoo, all that good stuff. And then I'll probably see you guys the next day. So yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, you know about this? Fire. Nut butter, if y'all watching this? Probably not. That's responsible. Straight up. Your stuff is fire. Appreciate it. What's good, you guys? It's the next day. Like I said, got my hair all twisted. Slept on it that night, you know. Yes, you guys can see. I still have it twisted. I just pulled both sides and I just put them into like buns. And I did it like this to keep them stretched out and elongated. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. So yeah, now what I'm gonna do is just take these joints out. Take these joints out. You know what I'm saying? And then gonna get to unraveling. They looking juicy. They looking nice and juicy. Well, this one's looking kind of messed up, but they looking good. Shampooed and conditioned, all that good stuff. Put some oil in them. So yeah, they looking good. You know what I'm saying? I may not look the best right now, but you know that's not what it's about. Cause you know, when I take these out, I'm looking straight, I'm straight. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna just snap my fingers and then just do one of the sides. So just give me 1 second. And we're back. We are back from the unraveling of my hair. Now this, I would say it wasn't like my best twist out or whatever, but you know, I did have pretty large twists. So I mean, it's cool. But I'm just gonna style it up like this. I'm just gonna rock out with the puffs today. Don't really feel like doing much to it, so I'm just gonna rock out with the puffs. I actually got a video tomorrow, or not tomorrow, I apologize. I got a video I want to make about the puffs, and I want you guys to let me know if you want to see that. Drop a like on this video if you did enjoy. This is my braid out to twist out little tutorial thing. I don't even know what to call it, but yeah, this is it. And I think that's it. I'll see you guys next video. It's your boy Shaun, and we out.
I think I started something. I got what I wanted. Didn't I? Can't feel nothing. Superhuman, even when I'm fucking Viagra.